Hey folks, it's Steve from M4 LED. If you have this type of 4.5-inch ITC fixture that's an original halogen, there's a couple ways that you can convert it to LED. Number one, you get rid of the halogen. We do have LEDs that drop straight in there. Had these for a long time. And basically, you just pop it in. And it's not going to open up for me right now. It'll go in. And you can convert it that way. It will be a little off center with the lenses on. You don't see anything. If you want a more complete installation, and these are great. They're going to give you all the light. They have 18 LEDs on them. And you can choose the colors and all that good stuff. But another way that you can do the same fixture is to use our repair module that's actually made for LED fixtures that have failed ITC as well, but they also fit into these older halogen fixtures. There's a couple screws that are going to go in and replace that. So we can do it real quick on this one. It's going to take some wire cutters and a couple screwdrivers. These two front screws are a #1 Phillips. And pop that out. Pop that out. Of course, you are altering your original fixture, so just keep that in mind. There's no going back on this, or nor should there be a reason to. So there's the other screw, which is going to be a bugger for me. Come on. And then you're not going to be using this reflector, so we'll just get that out of there. Get rid of that. There's the socket for the halogen is there. You're just going to cut the wires off the back of it. And then on the back of the fixture there's a little plate to keep the wires from pulling. I just loosen one of them. I take the other one completely out. Swing that out of the way, get rid of the wires. You're going to save this little doodad to keep it from grazing. And from the front of the fixture, you're going to put, there's my other small screw, these through the hole in the front. Then this socket's a little bit in the way, so I just generally push it back like that. And now this plate will go right in place. And two screws. Now once in a while these screws are a little stripped out from the factory. You need to work on getting them out. Generally they're pretty good. So again, a #1 Phillips on those. Now I was buying these halogen fixtures and converting them here when they were available, but they're far enough along now that the stock is no longer available, so we can't get the stock to sit and ship out converted ones here. So those two screws are snugged down. Now for the relief in the back, you got to get that abrasion paper back in place, pull the wires forward and bring that around. It's like the shell game, trying to find a screw. And then a #2 Phillips for the screws on the back. And you're not going tight, you're just going snug. And good to go. They are smaller gauge wires because the LED doesn't need the extra power. And once the fixture's on and in place, good to go. Any questions, let me know. You can get these plates or the standard bulb replacements at m4led.com.